Comets with their bright comas and long dust and ion tails are among the most spectacular objects in the sky. They can appear randomly from any direction, and as they travel in highly eccentric orbits around the Sun, they provide a spectacular, ever-changing display over the course of many months. Newly discovered comet C-2024-S1 is vying for the title of Best Comet of the Year, as it is expected to become visible to the naked eye and even brighter than Venus. Currently, C-2024-S1, Atlas, has a magnitude of about 12 and can be seen with a small telescope. The comet is located in the constellation Hydra, making it easier to see from the southern hemisphere before sunrise. For northern hemisphere observers, it is lower on the horizon. Comets are important to scientists because they are primitive celestial bodies left over from the formation of the solar system. They were among the first solid objects to form in the solar nebula, the collapsing interstellar cloud of dust and gas that formed the Sun and planets. Discovered on September 27, 2024, Comet C-2024-S1, Atlas, could be the brightest comet this year to the naked eye and the brightest Kreutz Solar Observatory comet since 1965. C-2024-S1 belongs to a group of comets known as Kreutz sungrazers, which pass extremely close to the Sun. Comet C-2024-S1, Atlas, will make its closest approach to Earth on October 23 at a distance of 0.87 astronomical units. The perigee of a comet, its closest point to Earth, should not be confused with its perihelion. When it is closest to the Sun, comets brighten as they get closer to the Sun. At perihelion, their surfaces heat up, producing dust clouds that form their tails and comas that extend around their centers. Thus, most comets are brightest near perihelion rather than at pericenter. In the southern hemisphere, the best time to observe the comet is in the days leading up to its perihelion on October 28. In the northern hemisphere, if the comet survives, it may be visible for several days after perihelion. Sometimes they develop large, curved tails, as was the case with Comet C-1965-S1. There were hopes it might become bright around this date. However, comets are notorious for being highly unpredictable, and the latest indications are discouraging. If it survives a close approach to the Sun on October 28, Comet C-2024-S1 will be positioned near a thin crescent moon in the pre-dawn sky. Don't miss this opportunity, and remember that comet behavior is inherently unpredictable. It could reach a maximum brightness of -8.0 at its peak. Predictions are adjusted as more data comes in, so check back here for the latest updates. The unpredictability of comets can be disappointing and surprising, but that's part of their charm.